Babel. So now, nag-arrive na kami here sa nag-arrive na kami here sa Pesar Airport. How was your experience on your first international flight?
So easy. My God, the immigration officers really like me.
Ambisyoso. Ang ganda ng airport nila dito.
Super cozy.
So aesthetic. And then nakasabay namin yung mga...
And it's giving.
Giving what?
Asian culture. That we have to...
Tama na sa... Okay, bye. Bye, guys. So, dito kami nag-withdraw. Ayan. Nagamit ko naman yung BPI ko. So, milyonaryo na ako dito. May 5 million ako. Ito si, RA. Ang gamit niya ay Gcash. Naka-withdraw ka na? Okay na? Ito kami nag-withdraw sa BNI. Okay? See? The 6GB, 450k in peso. I don't know. So, yun yung kasi yun yung may hotspot. And then, na-research namin na siya yung may widely coverage until no sa Piniga. 450k for 6 days. So, right now, we're going out. Gagrab na kami papunta sa aming first hotel. Oh, so, this is the airport. Kitang international airport nila. And right now, we're going to our apartment na.
Diba?
In our villa pala. Apartment villa. Diba?
Diba?
Here in Villa. Can I get the booking? So yeah, hindi pa kami nakaka-check-in kasi hindi pa available yung room. So ganyan siya, maliit lang siya. Pero okay na for 1,000, I think 200. Medyo
Good for two.
good for 2 na. Tapos may ganitong, oh yeah, may breakfast. Ang breakfast namin tomorrow, we're gonna eat it now kasi tomorrow we're gonna leave early. So we'll consume it now. Kain na sis. Mga munting anghel lang. This is the breakfast. Okay na din, not bad, 'di ba? May libreng kape. Kaso parang matetetano ako dun sa baso nila. So we're here. We wanted to try the Warung-Mia. We just dropped our baggage at the hotel kasi at 2 PM pa naman ang check-in. Yeah, the flea market is here. Magdiyan tayo. Sige dahil. So right now we're here at Warung-Mia. Famous here. So this is what we got. A set B. What do you call this? Ayan. Balinese. Yan. So this cost us how much? 295. Medyo mahal siya. 1,000 siya. Parang 999 kinemper. Pero okay na kasi madami naman. Tsaka first meal naman namin to. Deserve namin to. Okay, happy eating.
Let's be authentic. We deserve this.
Ito yung best seller nila, pork ribs. Tama ito sinasawsaw. Ang dami pala. Kaya pala mahal. Hindi naman, pero lang naman. Parang tag 500 kami. Oh my god. Sarap. Mas okay na. Sarap. So our total bill is 344 IDR. And this is the damage. Sis, what can you say about the food?
Really good. Really good.
Naubos lahat. Lalo na yung pork ribs. Tsaka yan. Siyempre, ako umubos niya. Thank you. May ikot-ikot kami sa Seminyak Square. Bababa kami kinain while waiting mag 2 PM para sa aming check-in. So, ito pala ang Seminyak Square. Maraming shops dito. Ito kami sa Seminyak Village, no? Square. Ang square dun sa kabila. Ito village, Seminyak Village. So, ang yummy. Sa baked. Yung dessert namin. Konti na lang, makakapag-check-in na kami. Bye-bye. OMG, ang sarap nito. This is so yummy. So this is the room tour. We are in Teva, Bali. So when you come inside, you can see a small room. We have a small working space here, TV. We have Wi-Fi, my ref with 2 small bottles of drink, a full-size mirror. We have sink, pero madumi siya. And then may gusto mo magluto, but we're not gonna cook anyway. And then we have a view of the pool outside. Yan. I don't know if maliligo kami. And then we have a chair. Naglalapot na tuwalya. May saksakan, wine cabinet. What else? Gusto ko na lang matulog. Cute naman siya. And then the restroom. Smells good. Yeah, para 1,200 lang. Walang ilaw. So yan, ganyan siya. Hindi maganon ka yung amoy niya, tsaka baho? Parang luma. Pero okay na din. One night lang naman kami dito, tomorrow we'll leave early. So that's it for the house tour. Room tour pala. Bye! Sakto si Sigang ang interview.
We're here at Gusto. Itong babae na to. May interview ng 5 PM. Guys, brand out ng ang buong Seminyak. So, yung pangtaas na is pang job interview and the pants. Hello! Nakaready na mag-swimming. Anxiety. Ang sipukot.
Nahabol kami ng brownout, guys. Napatakbo ko sa Gusto Gelato and Cafe. Just to. Ganda na makeup ko, no?
Mag-job interview ko lang. Pero full glam.
Kasi dito hindi naman look mo. Sobrang pale ko. Wala. So we're here at Sunset Beach in Seminyak. So nag-go-check nag-grab ako, nag-go-check si RA and we're just waiting for her. Waiting for her. Wala pa siya. Wala siya mabook. Ako kasi naka-link sa credit card ko yung Grab. Siya yung magkakasya sa Gojek. Lagi naka-cancel. So this is how the Seminyak Beach looks like. Wow, sayang di natin abutin yung sunset kasi I have interview a while ago. Pero cancel yata kasi hindi pumasok sa meeting. Yeah, but this is the shoreline here in Seminyak. So, andito na po yung naligaw. Oh, sayang di natin abutin yung sunset. Ang ganda, oh. Good morning. Nagpe-prepare na kami. It's, ano oras na? 4 something. Diba, di kami nagpalit ng damit. Alam nyo bakit? Nag-burn out kayo, be. Buong Bali. Literal, buong Bali. So, nakakandila kami. Kita niyo yan. Tapos alam mo, ito yung Airbnb namin, sobrang hindi siya, naglalapot sa maganda sana siya, kaya lang hindi siya malinis. So, borlogs kami kagabi. Alam mo ba, natulog ako sa loob ng malong kasi nga, feeling namin hindi malinis yung mga sheets nila and everything. Nakatin na tong isa. So, ngayon, nagpe-prep kami for our ubod. Lipat na kami. Paubod na kami. So, maliligo kami. Hindi, mag-half-pat lang kami kasi, nakakaano talaga dito. So, hindi masyadong maganda. So, kung nakita niyo yung news kagabi, literal blackout since 4 p.m. Remember, meron akong interview ng 5:30. Lumipat kami dahil nag-brown out. After, mula noon 4 p.m., hindi na nagkaroon ng kuryente until siguro mga 11 ba? 11 or 12 midnight. Buti na lang hindi ganun. Mainit kagabi. Pero buti na lang, ayun. Ayun ngayon kandila, ulam. Hindi ako nakapanood ng PBB. Hindi ako nakapanood ng Miss Universe. So, ngayon manonood ako. Habang nagpe-prepare kami. Actually, naka-ready naman ako. Guys, you have to be proud of me. Sobrang organized ng gamit ko. Oh, naka-ready na yan. Bubunutin na lang din ang mga damit sa pocket. Oh my gosh. Oh, gaano nakaka-organize. Pak. Naka-per day yan. Hi, girl.
Ano ba yun? And game night ng housemates.
When PBB is live.
1, 2, 3. Sinatago ako dito. Pag-aalaga niyo.
Bye. See you later for our Ubud tour. Bye. Struggle is real. Di makapasok dito sa alley yung sundo namin. Medyo maliit daw kasi itong daan. Pero yung iba nakakapasok naman. Yung ibang Grab, ayaw lang nila pumasok. Pero andyan na si Kuya. So, nag-check out kami ng maaga kasi we're going to Ubud. Doon na kami lilipat. Ayan, ito yung alley nung pinasukan namin. Kamali ako sa pag-book dito kasi hindi ko chinek sa Google Maps before ko siya binook. So, next time, i-check nyo muna sa Google Maps kung passable ba yung alley niya. Ayun, so welcome to our day 2 here in Bali. So, it's May 3 today. Let's go! Good morning, this is our driver for today, Kuya Pande. Pande Coco daw siya. So, hinelp niya kami to... Aray ko, grabe, hiningal ako. Hilayin yung luggage namin. Kay Kuya Jan ako nag-book ng private car service. This is for 10 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay. For Ubud tour. So, I feel like mas okay yun kasi sarili namin yung oras namin. Kaysa nag-book kami sa Klook kasi medyo mahal din and at the same time kasi mag-check out kami, palipat-lipat kami so kailangan namin dala yung mga gamit namin. Hi girl! Hi Maris! Maris! Welcome day 2! Ito nga pala si Maris Racal at saka si Maris Umali. Gumising kami ng 4 AM for this. Masyado kaming kinabahan dahil walang kuryente ang buong Bali. And we thought na hanggang buong araw siya. So talagang gabi yung pray ko na, Lord, sayang naman tong trip namin kung brown out, diba? Pero okay lang. So nag-start na yung aming Ubud tour. So from our apartment, may napanood kasi akong vlog na instead of magstay kasi isang hotel, it's better daw na magpalipat-lipat ka. So, the best way para magpalipat-lipat, rent a van service or rent a private tour or a private service para dala mo na yung mga luggage. So, yan yung mga luggage namin. So, at least, hindi kami mahahassle. Kung mag-joiner kasi kami, medyo nakakahiyang magpahintay and magpasundok. Tapos, may mga gamit pa kami madami. So, yun lang naman ang tip namin. And we booked this for
6 AM ang call time.
Yeah, on time kami kasi 4 AM gising na kami. So, we booked this through Kuya John Bali. I think napanood ko sa isang vlog and then i-recommend siya nung vlogger na yon. Kinompare ko yung mga prices and medyo okay yung price niya. So, we booked this for 600 IDR for 10 hours. So, hindi siya included. Ang nanonood siya may included yung mga entrance fees and everything. But it's okay kasi minimal lang naman yun. And then, good deal na to for us. Kasi, ano naman, sobrang Latina! So, anyway, we're going...
Walang ligo ang Latina.
Walang ligo ang Latina dahil brand out. At saka ang dugyot ng CR nila. So, hindi ko talaga siya i-recommend. Anyway, goodbye guys. See you later. So, yun yung McDo nila dito. Nakadaanan lang namin. So, since super aga namin. Oh, back. Breakfast ng mga Latina. Tapos take out na ano. Guys, look at our what are you watching? Ivan Alawi. Alam niya chismis. Alam niya lahat. You know, he knows all the chismis.
Tony Fowler's chismis.
Oh, Tony Fowler, kilala niya din.
Chismis mo.
Oh guys, Pande is single and 30 years old single. Oh, sobrang sipag. Oh, he's working hard. If anyone single out there, contact nyo lang to. I will put his link in the bio. Oh, you have YouTube channel and TikTok account?
TikTok account only po.
TikTok. Okay, I will put later. You know every song of his Kastakli?
Little.
Yeah, little.
You know Floji?
Floji, I know that.
Yeah.
Sino si Jo?
Who's your ex-girlfriend? Who's
Angel.
your ex-girlfriend again?
Sino?
Ikaw, who's your ex-girlfriend again?
Moira Delato.
Oh, Moira. Oh, Pak, sino ka dyan? Ex na daw si Moira. Kaya daw puro heartbreak song ang kanta ni Moira dahil nag-break daw sila. Okay. And then right now, sino nililigawan mo? Si Ivana. Oh, kilala niya si Ivana. Galing!
My dream horse and then I come to
Sobrang funny ni Kuya. So we just arrived here in Batuan Temple, Kuya, right? And then we paid 50,000 each. It's 8 AM and look, wala pong katao-tao. This is the perks kapag super early ka. So this is Batuan Temple. Kuya, so what does Batuan Temple is? Why is it famous?
Because this one the famous of the temple here. In the area is Batuan.
Okay.
Batuan is meaning about the stone. It's Batu.
Oh, same in the
all
Philippines.
The material here is from Batu.
Okay.
Like
This one. Okay. So, ito daw yung history yata. Why is it famous? And then, what do we have inside? There's our mga praying place.
Only.
Okay.
For the local people here.
Okay.
Here we have
Inside ng Batuan Temple. We just have to be quiet kasi may nagpe-pray. There's the ceremony. Sis, baka bawal dyan, baka bawal. Our second stop, we are at Tiganungan Waterfall. We paid 60,000, 30,000 each for the entrance in the falls. Okay. Hoy, tara na bading, mamaya ka na mamili.
Stamp your hand.
Ticket.
Stamp hand.
Okay, stamp hand. Thank you. 6 ma. Okay, going inside. Wow, Kuya, what's that?
last bridge.
Oh, last bridge? Are we going there? No.
Mahal.
Mahal. Oh, this is the sis. Is it clean, the water is clean?
For now, it's clean because not so much raining.
Ah, sis, ito na yung Uma.
Uma dito.
Yung Uma, yung parang club, ano din. So this is the Tenungan Temple. Right down there is the Uma Resort. And then there is the... Okay, we're going down there in a while. Sino ka dyan? Psst, bading. Tinatawag ko kayong lahat. Ang ganda ng falls. So, nandito na kami sa pinakababa. Hindi kami maliligo dito eh. So, siguro hindi na kami tatawid. But the falls is so nice. Ayan. Closer look. Buti nga ngayon it's clear eh. Kasi I've watched videos with color brown talaga yung tubig niya. But right now, medyo okay siya. Guys, grabe. Ang dami ng inakit namin. Konti na lang pero talagang di namin kaya. Pahinga mo.
Huwag ko pa nag-jogging ng 5 kilometers.
Grabe. Grabe yung pawis. Sis, wala pa naman tayong ganong tubig. Nasa sasakyan.
We really want to try the bridge, but it's kind of expensive. So,
Yeah.
better luck next time.
Super hot. Guys, maganda siya. Kaya lang, yung paakyat, sobrang hirap.
Hey, tatawagin mo talaga lahat.
Ng santo. Woo! Oh, na ako sis. Let's go na. Okay. Going up. You can do that, Sisi. Go down. Sisi. For the view, for the vlog. Ayan, magtiis ka. Right now, we're entering Tirta Empul. Oh, so good morning. We're here at Tirta Empul. It's what time? 10 a.m. 10 o'clock. So, we were endorsed by, what's your name, Kuya?
My name is Wayan.
Oh, ayan. Okay. He's our tour guide inside the Tirta Empul.
Yes.
Okay, so we paid 100 each for the tour guide and then 75,000 for
Ticket and
the ticket entrance. Okay, so we're going inside the Tirta Empul now. Okay? See you! Bye, Kuya! See you later! Uy, ganda ko dito, te.
temple. Because this temple have history about the ceremony in Bali.
Ah, okay.
So before we go there, you will see the statue over there.
What is that?
That statue we call Indra God. Indra God in Bali, that is God of the rain. And also your village, we have a special energy. So before we go to the temple, we have to wear the sarong here. Yeah.
Hanap ka ni contractor, Gab.
Nandito ang mission.
Okay, you're ready now.
Okay.
water blazing.
Water
And for
blaze.
the ritual you will do here, and there is 3 holy pool here. The first in front of you, second in the middle, and the last one at the corner. So you will start from here. In here, a lot of fountain. One fountain with the other fountain have a different meaning. So like the first fountain, all the people will pass that one at the corner. One fountain there. Because that is not for human. That is for another ceremony in the other temple in Bali.
So, tapos na ang aming ritual. Katapusan na rin ang mga pagkukulot namin. Saktong-sakto kasi hindi kami naligo, diba? So, we're going around. We're going around the...
Yes, you will go.
Okay, the temple. Okay.
This
This
is
is
a
where?
spring water.
Spring water. This is all where the holy water
Water,
came
yeah.
from.
All-
And they believe it came
Okay,
from the earth.
Earth, yes.
Look at that. I don't know if this video is giving justice, but para siyang para siyang may bumubulwak na something. You know, kita niyo ba? You know, it's not visible in the camera. Pero para siyang spring water ba ko yan, no? Iba na outfit natin. Sa ano na lang sis?
You want to do like this?
Okay, it's now the end of our Tirtha and Pool tour. Next is Uma Pakel, which is there is the plantation, the Ubud Swing, and what else?
Rice there.
The rice terraces. But before that, we're going to eat lunch first because it's already 12. It's late, 12 noon, and we haven't eaten anything, just the burger and the canned coffee. Okay. We're going to eat first here in Tebasari. So this is how it looked like inside. Nice place. Where do you want to sit? They gave us the complimentary cassava daw ito. I think ito ewan ko, ibang color lang. Masarap siya, sambal. And then a ginger shot. Oh, sis, kasama natin sa video mo. Yung sa TikTok. Yeah, ito si Kuya. Ayan yung view namin while eating. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng vibe. Mie goreng, spring rolls, and then ayam. Ayam, sis? How do you call this? Ayam pang. Ayam pang. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry. Sobrang sarap. Masarap na mga foods. Tama na yan, bading. My favorite.
Tabasari.
Tabasari, yeah. And then right now we're in Uma Pakel to try the Ubud Swing, the coffee tasting. Hello, what's your name?
Wayan.
Hello, Wayan.
Ate?
Jessica.
Jessica, wow.
And this is R.A.
Ah,
Rose Ann.
nice to meet you. I will show you
Sure,
around
sure.
here. Please follow me, please.
Here is the inside look at Uma Pakel Valley. So, dito kami magbabali swing. I hope, ano yan? Oh, so this is the civet. Ito yung mga nag-i-eat mo.
You want si tai, ate? Ate, you want si tai?
Si tae? This is the tae of the Alamid.
Yeah, this is tai. That is alamid.
It's not smelly, no?
This is smelly because we dry already.
Oh.
We dry. So this wash dry and the sun become like this, ate.
Oh, if you dry it,
Yeah,
and then
but that just and then we remove the skin. Actually, for the real coffee bean, not contact with dirty poop and mold. Second, and other skin still protect. This the real one.
Oh, okay. And then that's the one they
And then the rest
roast. Oh, nice.
that's when not tai.
Tae.
Really long process. Yeah.
Yes. That's why it's expensive.
Very expensive because making by. Let the inside more better view.
There's no much of a people here. Actually, meron silang sinasabi doon sa kabila, yung sa may Kretya side, which is the Alas Harum. Yes, they said it is more expensive there. Our driver suggested to just spend it here. And look naman, walang katao-tao. Diba? Kaya lang umulan talaga. Pero buti hindi na siya pero umaambon pa rin. So let's see if makakakuha tayong ng magandang ubod swing. So the price is 375 for the package. Kasama na yung dress, yung long dress. While 200 kung swing lang. So this is the dress. What color you want? You can choose. Red ka. Parang I like the yellow na lang siguro. Kasi yellow yung damit ko. Ang ganda ng view dito. Di kami nagkape doon kasi magkakape kami dito. Ayan, konti na lang. Magiging kwento na talaga yan dyan. Pag nahulog yan dyan, si Ante. So, nakapag-rent na kami. We're just waiting na medyo tumila ng konti yung ulan para medyo clear naman yung clouds. But we will try the coffee first. Ito na yung coffee na free. Dito sa Uma Pakel, free lang to. Tasting. So, order the first. Ito siya. Ginger tea. Yan siya. Which one you want to try first? Should be the... Gusto ko tayong dalawa. Pares tayo.
Ito yung na lang dyan.
Okay. Ganda dito. Hindi pa kasi ito operational. Feeling ko ito yung magiging competitor ng Kretya. The Uma Pakel is just beside Kretya. So, sinuggest nung namin dito kasi konti lang tao. And ngayon talagang walang tao masyado. Ito hindi pa siya operational. In 2 months pa daw yan i-open. Pero yeah, parang same siya ng vibe ng Kretya gagawin. Feeling ko lang. This is vanilla coffee. Great taste 3-in-1. Great taste white. Great taste white. Great taste white. Oo nga. Great taste white. Mga tinry namin. Yeah, it's nice. Tapos with this view. Oh, medyo clear na yung sky. Pwede na tayong swing. Hands-free daw! Hands-free, sis! Hands-free! Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo, boat! Boat! Yan! Nice! Kuya, 360. Can you do 360?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo!
No, wait!
Sandal. Taas kamay.
Taas kamay! Yan!
Go! Good. Hold back.
Okay. Hinig ako.